Hello, my name's Angelo Balistreri with Prier Products. Welcome to a PKn5. That's product knowledge in 5 minutes or less, where we take a deep dive into a particular item and give you the features and the benefits to help promote said item. But in addition, we're going to give you spec sheets, IOMs, and that's installation, operation, and maintenance instructions. We're going to give you a sales flyer. We even include a 30-second commercial that can help promote said item. This PKn5 is focused on the P-164 quarter-turn frost-proof wall hydrant by Prier. Let's get into the product. The P-164 is the Cadillac option of residential frost-proof hydrants here at Prier. Now let's talk about the product and what you are obviously going to see right off the bat. First and foremost, our wide flange that we offer here at Prier. It has enclosed screw holes. This means it's easier to install and it's going to give you a secure mount. Now you may not see there is also a pitch built into that flange. We have an integral flange that pitches the product at a 4-degree downward slope. Why this is important? When you disconnect your hose, we want the water to leave the system. That pitch automatically allows that to happen. You'll see that we have a nickel-plated brass finish for our head. That means that it is going to be durable and it's going to look great for many years to come. You're going to notice that we have 5 full hose threads on the bottom. This may not sound important to you, but when you get that hose screwed on, you're going to get a nice true fit where it's not going to spray water at your hose connection, and you can secure that down very tightly. Now you'll also notice the handle looks a little different than most in the industry, and that's because it's not metal, it's not plastic, it's actually a soft grip rubber overmold where we take an aluminum handle and we dip it into a rubber coating, and that allows it to have a nice soft grip feel. Now the key piece that a lot of people really like on this P-164 is the operation. The quarter turn. As you turn it on and off, you'll notice that it is a quick 90-degree operation to get it full on and full close. Just like many other shutoffs in your home already, we are just applying the quarter shutoff to the outside. Now what makes ours unique is ours is not a cartridge and it is not going to freeze up on you. We use a rising stem. As you pull your stem out of your body, you're going to notice on the back end, all we have is a double O bevel bib washer on the end, and we just changed the thread pattern so you're getting the same operation with a rising stem just in a quarter turn application. Now many people, they're going to say, does this impact my flow? I need some good flow. The beautiful thing is, no. Per code, you must meet a minimum of 6 gallons per minute at 25 psi. The P-164 is an ASSE 1019 certified product, and it meets UPC, CUPC certifications. This means we pass all those codes, and this product will put out about 7 gallons per minute at 25 psi. The beautiful thing, just like all the other products here at Prier on the residential side, you don't lose the flow due to your operation, so it becomes an end user's choice. Now, let's talk about how you order this product. We have several length and connection types for the P-164. On the length, we have anywhere from a close couple to 24-inch, which we stock. If you want something longer, we can do that as well with a custom product. Regarding your connection, we have everything under the sun from a 1/2 inch to a 3/4. We can do thread, we can do sweat, we got all the PEX connections, we have a shark bite fitting, CPVC, even a press ready model for any project that you may have for you and your customer. Now that's a lot of information coming at you all at once, and you're asking, what are we supposed to do with this? And here's our ask to you is, don't let it stop here. Take this information and pass it along to your customers. Let's share this information and make sure we get the word out, and let's sell some P-164s. As always, let us know if there's anything we can do on our end to help. Thank you for joining us on this PKn5.